Welcome to our channel. How to set up your Juplink Wi-Fi router easily. Unbox your Juplink router. Start by opening the box and taking out all the components, the router, antennas, if any, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Fix the antennas securely. If the router has external antennas, attach them firmly by screwing them in. Position them straight up for better Wi-Fi signal coverage. Connect the router to power. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to an electrical socket. Wait for the power light to turn on. Connect your internet cable. Take your internet cable from modem or ISP line and plug it into the WAN or internet port on the router. Switch on the router. Turn on the router using the power button if available. Wait for all indicator lights to stabilize. Connect to Juplink Wi-Fi network on your phone or computer. Go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Juplink Wi-Fi network, SSID. You'll find the name and password printed on the router label. Open the router login page, launch a browser and enter 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Press Enter to open the router settings page. Log in with default credentials. Use the default username and password, usually both are admin. You can find this info on a sticker under the router. Change Wi-Fi name and password. In the wireless settings section, create a custom Wi-Fi name and a strong password. Save the settings to apply changes. Reconnect and test internet. After updating your Wi-Fi info, reconnect all your devices using the new network details. Try opening a website to check if the internet is working properly. Thank you for watching.